It feels like it's been a very long week from last Thursday night when we started hearing about the terrible tragedy in Meron, and then Friday morning when the horror set in. It seems that this week has lasted an enormously long time, because following the funerals, we started to hear a little bit of the Hespedim, the eulogies that were offered. And I'm sure you, like myself, have been reading as much as possible the various lives of those 45 precious individuals who are now no longer with us. Indeed, it has felt like a long week. This week for the Beth Tikva community has also seen a number of families lose loved ones. And now that we stand here Friday, Erev Shabbos, I'm ready for Shabbos to enter. And I'm ready to put behind us this last 7 days. These last 7 days have brought the Jewish people together in a tragic way. There has been a sense of unity. If you've been reading the news, you will have seen that blood banks in Israel have actually started turning people away. So full are they that sectors across Israeli society have been flocking to donate blood for those in need. It seems that there are such times of crisis and national tragedy where our people is able to come together. But does it have to take such moments of tragedy for us to show our best colors, for us to come together as one people? This coming Sunday night, Monday, is Yom Yerushalayim, and we will be marking that period in 1967 when the capital city of Jerusalem once again became the united capital of the modern state of Israel. In those days, for those who were alive and for people like myself who have only read about it following, there seems to have been an incredible sense of unity. Religious, secular, right-wing, left-wing, the people came together as one, realizing what it was that joined us. The Gemara in Chagiga, the Yerushalmi, actually calls Jerusalem the city of togetherness. King David, writing in Tehillim, Psalms, will refer to Yerushalayim as Yerushalayim Ir Shechupra Yachdav, a city where people are joined together. There is something magical. There is something so special about Yerushalayim. It is the place where we can shed what divides us and celebrate what unites us. We have cried together this past week. Can we now celebrate together? And together, I mean as a nation, as a people, as the state of Israel, as Jews in the diaspora, as the collective nation of Am Yisrael. Because when we can find things to celebrate together, Ke'ish echad belev echad, just as the description of the receiving of the Torah at Har Sinai, anything is possible. May this be a Shabbat of rest, and as we welcome a new week of possibilities. Shabbat Shalom.